All right, guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to install your VesselView from Mercury. I've already popped the top on a 115. It's a 2020. I've got it on my 2020 Bass Tracker 190TX, but this is a 115 horse. It's very, very simple. Like literally everybody can do this. This is what you get in the package, your VesselView. Everybody's talking about it. It's pretty exciting. Lots of good information in this bad boy, so I'm going to show you how to throw it on here. Open the package, we'll show you what you got. You've got your VesselView itself, which comes with two connectors. We're going to pop the top on one in the end. This is your module. This will be important because there's a number on that module that you'll use to connect to your app on your phone. Before you do all of this, go to your app store, download the Mercury VesselView app to your phone, and then when you get that downloaded, it'll come in handy later when you turn your key on to install this thing. You need to have the app downloaded because the way that this module connects to your phone is via Bluetooth, and it asks for permission to do that. So it's looking. You download that app, you open it up, say yes, let's connect after you've created an account, and you can get connected and start using that bad boy. But here's your connector. Comes with some instructions, which I don't think we really need because it's very simple. You've got some zip ties and a holder here. So this is super simple, guys. I'm going to show you. This comes with a weather cap on the end of it. There's two connectors here. The way this is going to work, I'm going to show you on the engine. You're going to remove, there's the yellow cap. You're going to pop off the front of the engine on the bottom, and you're going to replace it with this guy. You're going to put that cap onto this guy, which has got the purple end. So we'll just pop this end of it off here. We're going to set that aside, and I'll show you on the engine what I'm talking about. Right here on the very front, again, this is a 115 2020 model. All we gotta do is take this guy and slide it right off. And that cap, we're gonna put back on the front of this guy that we just removed the purple cap from. Like that, right? Your dust cap, basically. We're gonna take this, where we just removed that, and slide it back on. It's right here, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna try to do that while I'm holding my phone. One-handed, so it'll show you exactly how easy this is, right? Get that down in there until it popped. We're going to set these down in. And the trick to this will be you'll want to secure this for sure. Everyone will probably do that a little bit differently, but I'm going to zip tie mine in here and have it sitting on the side just like this. And these are those numbers I talked to you about. That's it. I mean, that's literally your complete installation. I'm going to turn my key on so you can I'll show you what it looks like when it powers up. So I've turned the key on to the motor. I didn't start it, obviously. I just turned the key into the power mode. And this is what it looks like. So your VesselView will fire up. Your SmartCraft here will be a steady light. I've already connected this via Bluetooth, so it's solid. When you're brand new, this thing will blink for you, and it's saying, hey, I'm looking for something to connect to. And that something to connect to will be the app that you've downloaded, and you will pair it with this device. A lot of people get confused on this. This VesselView works through your phone, the app on your phone, not through your electronics. So once both of these are connected, your SmartCare will stay on, your Bluetooth will be illuminated full time. That shows you that it's connected. If it's still blinking, that means it's searching. And then from here, it's really just securing it, which I'm going to secure right here via straps, and using it. And there's a lot of amazing tools in VesselView, so good luck and enjoy.